Y'all, we're making tiramisu, kinda. Come on. First of all, I don't have a cake plate. Can't find mine. So we're just gonna put it on a dinner plate. That's number one terribleness. Number two terribleness is that it was supposed to be in a 6-inch pan or maybe a 7 or an 8, so I used a 9. If you go look at her videos and her photos, that she got this big old thing about 11 feet tall, and ours is gonna be thin and wider than it is tall, which kind of probably explains some of us. So, on the top. Oh, y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that. Shh. Like aquarium sand that didn't get wet. I don't know. It's weird. That is really good. I told y'all about it just a minute ago. Y'all go over there to that channel and watch that thing, but just be careful.